You're going to think I'm a mad dog lady, by the way, which I am. It's understandable. This is Alfie. We've been friends for about a month now. He's not very old, he's only like 16 weeks old. Yeah, he does a few tricks. I'll try and stick some in now. He's a very good dog. Yeah. So, this is my friend. Right, show them your tricks. Sit. Paw. Down. Lie down. I have a slobber on my hand. Oh, just a cuddle. Okay. And slobber. That's delicious, isn't it? Alfie, high five. So yeah, happy Tuesday, and I'll see you next week. I think he's tired.
SexSixyFolks.